Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows screen upside down. You can press Ctrl Alt key plus up arrow simultaneously. This shortcut resets the screen orientation into the normal landscape mode. So if you need to other orientation, you can try to Ctrl Alt or down arrow, so it will be upside down, or you can try to Ctrl Alt plus left arrow, it will be rotate 90 degrees into left, or you can use right arrow to 90 degrees for right. To fix that using setting, go to start menu like this, go to tap on setting, tap on display option here, select your display, the problem is happened, scroll down, come to scale and layout section, tap on display orientation, it is set as landscape, it is the correct one. If it is in this option, you have to tap on landscape, then it will be reset the correct position. So this is how you can fix Windows screen upside down. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.